If you're a homeowner, listen up, because cutting corners on these 5 contractors could cost you big time. First up, roofers. Your roof isn't just shingles, it's what keeps your entire home safe from the elements. If your roofer isn't a master at their craft, if they miss the flashing, the drip edge, or mess up the valleys, it's not just a leak you'll face. We're talking thousands in damage, maybe even a total roof redo. Next, framing. The cheapest framer might save you a few bucks, but remember, they're building the bones of your house. Bad framing equals weak structure, and trust me, fixing that later is a nightmare. Think walls cracking, doors sticking, even floors sagging. The third spot goes to plumbers. A bad plumber means leaks, and leaks mean rot, mold, and destroyed floors or ceilings. Hire someone licensed and proven. It's worth every penny, especially when you won't have to tear out walls to fix hidden disasters. Fourth, electricians. This isn't just about lights not working. Faulty electrical work can literally burn your house down. Only trust a true pro, a master electrician who's licensed, to wire your biggest investment. And number 5, your shower installation company. Here's a startling stat. 90% of showers will eventually leak. If yours isn't built by a real craftsman, you'll face rot, ruined joists, and water raining into the rooms below. Bottom line, don't choose the lowest bids for these 5 jobs. Invest in real skill up front, and you'll save yourself years of headaches and thousands of dollars. Home is too important to risk. Don't forget to like this video, and look at our other videos for more tips, tricks, and remodeling inspiration.